In this video, I will tell you how to use a chronograph watch. For that, the process is very simple and easy. All you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So number one thing is understanding the components. Here you guys can see that the middle and the top of the middle dial is chrono minute hand, and on the left dial is for the chrono hour hand, and the bottom dial is for small second hand. On the right side, the upper button is for stop the chronograph. The middle second needle is for the second chrono hand, and the reset chronograph 20 is for the third button. These are some of the components that you need to keep in your mind. Main watch hand indicate the current time. Subdials that display last minutes, hours, and when using the chronograph. The pusher, stop pushers is for start and stop. The bottom pusher is for located at the 4 o'clock. Resets the chronograph to 0. So operating the chronograph. Start, press the top pusher to begin timing. The central chronograph second hand will start moving. Press the bottom one, press the top one again to stop the pusher again to hold the timing, and then you can press the bottom one to reset the process all the timing. So the third one is reading the chronograph. Seconds are measured by the central graph hand, minutes are and hours displayed on the subdials indicating the last time. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.